All right, so the moment we've been waiting for. Oh, look at the juice on this. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh my God, this is so tender. 5 hours of absolute perfection. Okay, what's up everybody? Today is an exciting day today. I have something planned that I've been planning for a long time. And today the moon and stars have aligned. Let's just say the sunshine has aligned. It's a hot day in New York. But what we got for you today is a 14-pound Vacio to start off this cook. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna open this bad boy up and wait till you see this piece of meat. This is an Argentinian Vacio. I'll post a link below of where I picked them up. So we're gonna open this thing up. We're gonna dry this off. And then this is gonna go into the iron cross today. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some Maldon salt and we're gonna go liberal with the salt. That's all we're using today. Maldon salt, and then we're gonna use Salmuera that I make. Very traditional preparation of this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold this around. I'm gonna take the iron cross. I want the thicker end down below. And don't be concerned how much salt you're using. Don't be concerned about this bucket. I'm only using it for this. Cooked today. I keep refilling it after I wash it out. Plus it's salt, kills bacteria. So what we're gonna do, we get it nice and liberally salted. We're gonna take the rack. We're gonna come down here. I think I'm gonna go to one of my lower racks. We're gonna push down and come through. Nice and tight, okay? So that's exactly what we're looking. We got the thicker end is gonna go lower. All right, and then we're gonna do the fat side first. So we're gonna come over here to the fat side and we're gonna let this bad boy go. This is gonna cook for about 4 hours today. Most of the cook is gonna be on this side. So what you're looking for is you wanna be able to hold your hand here for a few seconds. Right about there, that's the temperature you want. You don't wanna be able to hold your hand here for too long. And what we'll do is we'll put a couple of smoldering corbacho logs down underneath to get that extra smoke going. So I have a homemade salmuera. We're gonna baste it as we go, and we're gonna have a good time today. Now, I've seen a lot of people do a lot of different things. I'm a purist. You know, you smoke this pineapple, you chop it up into a little salsa, or even a little of your chimichurri with that nice rich meat. Oh man, let me tell you, once you start doing this, you'll understand why every Argentinian asado you see, they're hanging pineapples. Because we got a lot of stuff to hang today. We're gonna put some Long Island corn up here. We got some tallow potatoes. So I got a Italian hot and Italian sweet, and I got a nice Argentinian pinwheel. There's the hot. So the first course is gonna be the sausage. How about right up there? There we go. We made a nice little nest. Now we're gonna come hang this up. We're gonna come over here though. Hey, one of the things we got a nice Chairman's Reserve cut picanha. And then we're gonna come down here and we're gonna pop these over here. And we're gonna pull some coals directly under. So check this out. So this is my salmuera. So what I do is we just give it a little baste, just a little bit as we cook. So we're adding a little bit of moisture to the meat, keep it from drying out, and it also adds a lot of flavor. That's another reason we do this. So one of the things I'm gonna do, I don't know if you notice what's going on in here, but all this nice, beautiful dripping are going into my cast iron, my potatoes, my tallow potatoes. So we're gonna give it just a little turn. We're not turning around yet, but I find it a little easier to baste this side. So what we're doing is we're just kind of coming around. Okay? There we go. All right, so moment we've been waiting for. Oh, look at the juice on this. All right. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh my God, this is so tender. Five hours of absolute perfection.